Hearing is everything. Hearing makes the man. What you hear shapes your consciousness. Hear about Krishna, become Krishna conscious. Hear about Maya. This is from Vishnu Puran. Sahanistan mahachchidram samoha sachavibrama yadmuhurtam shanam vapi vasudevam nachintayet. If one fails to remember Krishna, even for a moment, Vasudev nachintayat. In other words, nachintayat. He does not consider or think about or remember or contemplate. He doesn't consider Vasudev for shanam. Shanam in Sanskrit means moment. Or a muhurta. Muhurta is 48 minutes. Either if he doesn't remember Vasudev for a small portion of time, a shana means a moment, or for a longer portion of time, muhurta, then that's a great loss. Then that's it. So if he fails to remember Krishna for a moment, that is the greatest loss, the greatest illusion, and the greatest bewilderment. So it's moha, vibram, bewilderment, moha, illusion, and hani. Hani means failure, loss. Mahachidram. This is the famous one from the Padma Puran, quoted by Rupa Goswami in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and also by Krishnadas Kaviraj. It's actually quoted by spoken by Lord Chaitanya and Sanatan Shiksha, Madhya Lila chapter 22, verse 113. One should always remember Krishna and never forget him. Smartavya satatam vishnor vismartavyo najatuchit sarve vidi nishedasur etayor evakinkara ha. Sarva vidi nisheda. Vidi nisheda. Vidi nishade. Rules and prohibitions. Vidi. Vaidi. Bhakti. Nisheda. What not to do. All the rules of what you should do and all the prohibitions of what you should not do. They are subservient to two principles. Smartavya satatam Vishnur and vismartavyo najatuchit. Jatuchit. It means you should always remember Krishna at every moment, satatam, and never forget him. These are the king and queen of all rules and regulations. Everything else are maidservants of this queen.